Ibandla lezokuthuthuswa komphakathi lisagandelela bona linethemba phezulu kwecala lalo liveza ubumbi bamacala abasolwa aqalene nawo. Umthuthisi uthi amadoda asolwa ngokubulala uNyathi athweswe amacala okubulala, ukulinga ukubulala, ukuthumba nokudlelezela ngehloso yokulimaza nokubetha ngehloso yokulimaza kumbi.
As the prosecutor went through the contents of the docket, he found that there is a prima facie case against all 7 before court. Regarding the strength of the state case, that question will be answered by this court in due course when all evidence have been presented, and the court will then make a determination in relation to the strength of the state case.
Ekuthomeni amapolisa abophe abasolwa abali-14 umndeni kaNgazimbu uElvis Nyathi uzamukele indaba zamuveze ekhotho kodwana uthi ukhahlumezekile moyeni begodi uhlalele evalweni.
Especially the wife and the brothers and even the guy, his friend that was there, Prince Mkhwebu, is still not okay. Even when you look at him, when you speak to him about it, he's still not okay. He's even planning to go home as well because he feels unsafe there in eDiepsloot. And even other family members, they didn't even attend the court here, not because they don't want to come, but only because they are scared. They think that the families or the friends of the perpetrators, the killers of my cousin, will recognize them and maybe probably attack them.
Ibandla lezokuthuthuswa komphakathi lithi lizokuqalisisa inkulumo ezikhulunywe ngomunye wabasolwa ezithi uyazi bona kwenzekani mhlazana kubulawa uNyathi.
We will await processes to unfold so that information is then brought to our attention.
They must follow up and find out more about what he said so that they get to the bottom of it.
Umbuso uhlele ukuphikisa isibawo sebheli, umthuthisi ecaleni uveze bona ibandla elithuthisako lizoveza bona iqala belihleliwe.
Sibanda.
Kanti namhlanje icaleni elimalunga nokubulawa kwaSomapala uOrlando Pirates nebafana uSenzomeyiwa. Kuleli cala linalo lekhoti enkulu yePitori, umbuso uthi uzokuletha ubufakazi bokuthi kunokuthindana phakathi kwesigidi esasetshenziswa ukubulala uSomapala webafana neOrlando Pirates uSenzomeyiwa nalesi esathola kumsolo wesithathu umthobisi Ncube. Umbuso uhlele ukuletha ubufakazi abahlukileko ekubona hlangana nabo izazi ezicalisisa imihlala ngezesayensi. Umbuso uthi uhlelo nokuletha nabomakhelwane abeze ukudumuza kwesigidi ngaphandle kwekhwabo lentombi kaMayiwa uKelly Khumalo eFosloras ngo-2014. Umbuso uthi uzokuletha ubufakazi bona ukubulawa kwaMayiwa kwahlelwa ehostela esiduze eFosloras. Amadoda amahlanu aphoswe ngamacala okubulala ngehloso, ukulinga ukubulala kanye nokudlelezela ngehloso. Umthuthisi uGeorge Baloyi ubale ukufana kweqephe ikule yesigidi esebenzileko eyatholakala phezulu kwetafula lapho ekukholwa bona uMayiwa wabulawelwa khona.